It is so hot outside. What did farmers and stuff do before they had drinks to rehydrate you that we drink today? They made haymakers, also known as switchel. So here it is. I'm going to make this for my farmers today. Very few ingredients. You need apple cider vinegar with the mother. You need some honey, and you need some ginger. And if you don't have this kind of ginger, you can always use this kind of ginger, okay? And some ice and some hot water. That's all you need. So let's mix some of this up. Sometimes when they're really hot outside, my husband will come in and say, Dana, I need a haymaker. And you can Google this and look it up and see what it is, but this is what they used in colonial times. So you're gonna need 1 cup of hot water, and then we got to get our apple cider vinegar with the mother. Now y'all, it's gonna look like this on the inside, and it's not gonna be clear. And then we're gonna put a tablespoon of that in there. Now y'all, I've gotta just tell y'all, that's the basic recipe, but sometimes I put a little more because I like sour. So you make this to suit your own taste. So we put that in there. Then we're gonna put a tablespoon of honey, and I'm just gonna dollop this out. Okay. And this has not been processed. A tablespoon of honey. Then we got to put the ginger in. All right, y'all, this is how you do the ginger. I'm gonna, let's start on this end. This is what it looks like when you get it. And then you've got to do a little finagling. Got my knife out here, and I'm going to just say, okay, this looks good. It's fresh, it's not dried out on the end. And then what we gotta do is take a little bit of this off. Now you could go ahead and scrape it off with a spoon or do a big bit off, but I always do just a little bit so that it won't dry out, because I use a little bit of this every day. And something that's a benefit of this is this apple cider vinegar helps your stomach, and it also helps your digestive system. All right, now we're gonna do about this much. I'm gonna do about half of a tablespoon maybe of this. So I'm just gonna lay this right over here. And here we go. This is how you do it. If you don't have time and don't want the fresh ginger, you can always use the dried ginger, but you use less of it. You gotta look on the package. Y'all know the secret to using fresh and dried. On the package here, it will tell you how much to use instead of fresh ginger. Takes the guesswork all out of it. Well, I hope y'all are gonna stay cool today. I'm gonna stay cool, and I'm gonna keep my farmers cool with a haymaker. Okay, now what you gotta do is just stir it up. That's it. But I do advise tasting it to see if you think you're gonna like it. And this is very concentrated, and you're gonna pour it over a cup of ice. So here's the cup that David likes. I'm gonna put about half full of ice. Some of that's gonna melt. You use hot tap water and not boiling water, because the boiling water will destroy stuff in the honey. Okay. Oh, baby, I spilled a little of that. Shame on me. I'll clean it up later. All right, this is what it looks like. This is a haymaker. Tart and sweet. It'll cure what ails you. Honey and ginger. What is not to love about this haymaker? That ginger's a little hot, the honey's sweet, you got the tartness from the vinegar. It is awesome. Y'all go make you a haymaker. Stay cool the old-fashioned way. Make a haymaker. The good Lord loves you, and I love you too. Y'all go have a really cool day. Get you a haymaker. Love y'all. Bye-bye. That's good. Makes you pucker.